What if everything you've been told about the pyramids is only part of the story? Imagine standing before a structure so enormous, so perfectly aligned, and so precisely built that even modern engineers still debate exactly how it was accomplished. These monuments were built over 4,500 years ago, yet they continue to challenge everything we think we know about ancient civilizations. Were the pyramids simply royal tombs? Or do they hide a mystery that has survived thousands of years? Today we're exploring one of history's greatest enigmas, the pyramids of ancient Egypt. The Great Pyramid of Giza is the oldest and only surviving wonder of the ancient world. It originally stood nearly 147 meters tall and was constructed using an estimated 2.3 million stone blocks, many weighing between 2 and 15 tons. Some of the granite blocks inside the king's chamber weigh more than 70 tons and were transported hundreds of kilometers from Aswan. Here's where the mystery begins. How did people without cranes, steel machinery, or modern technology move, shape, and position these massive stones with astonishing precision? For decades, historians believed thousands of laborers simply dragged the stones across the desert. But experiments suggest the task would have required incredible planning, engineering, and organization. Some researchers propose massive ramps. Others suggest a combination of internal and external ramps, yet no single theory completely explains every stage of construction. Even more puzzling is the pyramid's remarkable accuracy. Its four sides are almost perfectly aligned with the cardinal directions: north, south, east, and west. The margin of error is astonishingly small. Without GPS, satellites, or modern surveying equipment, how did ancient builders achieve such precision? Coincidence? Or knowledge far ahead of its time? And then there are the mathematical mysteries. Many researchers have noticed fascinating numerical relationships hidden within the Great Pyramid's dimensions. Some appear to closely resemble mathematical constants like pi and the golden ratio. Were these intentional design choices made by brilliant ancient architects, or are modern observers simply finding patterns where none were intended? The debate continues. For centuries, the pyramids were believed to be nothing more than elaborate royal tombs. Yet surprisingly, the Great Pyramid contained no confirmed royal mummy when it was first explored. Grave robbers may have emptied it long before historians arrived, but the absence of definitive evidence has fueled countless alternative theories. Some believe the pyramids served ceremonial or symbolic purposes. Others think they reflected religious beliefs about the stars and the afterlife. More speculative theories suggest they were ancient power plants, astronomical observatories, or even built with help from extraterrestrials. But is there any credible evidence for these extraordinary claims? So far, no. While such ideas make fascinating stories, archaeologists have found no reliable evidence supporting alien involvement or advanced lost technology. In fact, discoveries over the last few decades have strengthened the case for human builders. In 2013, archaeologists uncovered the Diary of Merer, one of the oldest surviving papyrus records in history. Written by an Egyptian official, it describes transporting limestone blocks by boat for Pharaoh Khufu's construction project. Nearby discoveries of workers' villages, bakeries, tools, and cemeteries reveal that skilled laborers, not slaves or mysterious outsiders, played a central role in building these monuments. Yet even with these discoveries, many questions remain unanswered. Exactly how were the heaviest stones lifted into place? How were construction techniques refined so quickly? Why was such immense effort devoted to a single monument? And perhaps the greatest mystery of all, what knowledge has been lost over the last 4.5 millennia? Modern technology continues to uncover new secrets. In 2017, scientists using cosmic ray imaging detected a massive hidden void inside the Great Pyramid. Its purpose remains unknown. Is it an undiscovered chamber, a structural space, or something entirely unexpected? The pyramid still refuses to reveal all of its secrets. Maybe that's why these ancient monuments continue to captivate millions of people around the world. They stand as silent witnesses to a civilization capable of extraordinary achievements, reminding us that history still holds mysteries waiting to be uncovered. Perhaps the greatest mystery isn't how they were built, it's how much of their story has been forgotten. What do you think? Is there still a hidden chapter of history waiting beneath the stones? Let us know your theory in the comments. And don't forget to subscribe for more historical mysteries that continue to challenge everything we think we know.